Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and in today's video we are going to be making this simple mechanical pencil into a very cool pen gun. And of course, as you can see, it happens to be made out of metal and also be colored gold, so we are going to call it the Golden Gun, of course. To do this simple conversion, all you will need is your pen and some duct tape. Now, all pens are different. This is actually a mechanical pencil. It's just important that it has this push button here. First, take it apart, and there will be this inside piece. Remove the spring. That looks just like this. Now, what you are going to do is grab a little strip of duct tape. Other tape will work as well, something around that long. And we are going to wrap it around the end of the pen. Just like that, to widen the diameter. Now, as you can see, the key is that the spring, when pushed towards, will not go over top of the duct tape. And to strengthen it even further, I'm going to put a little piece of duct tape right there. Now, on the back end of the pen, with the pusher part, there will most likely be some kind of connector connecting the two pens together. And what I've done is separated it a little bit to make it longer on this side. So essentially, we're now going to assemble the piece, get this, and put it in spring facing out. Make sure it pushes back this all the way. This is your trigger. And then put the barrel on, which also is the bullet, and when you push back nice and hard, it should lock in place under lots of tension. That's right, you're ready to fire. So as you can see, it looks just like a regular pen, but when you hold the back part here and push the button, let's see what happens. Let me show you again. This time we've got a nice little target over there. It's my calculus textbook if you're wondering. See if we can hit it. Pretty good accuracy. Didn't knock it over. It's a pretty hefty book, that engineering calculus book. So there you have it, folks. Lee's top secret golden pen gun. Very easy to make and relatively powerful. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor and click that big red subscribe button right there. And also, check out some of my other videos by clicking the links on the screen.